Hey guys, what is up? Direct Current 59 here, and today we're gonna be taking apart an original Xbox. Without further ado, let's get started. So I've already taken off these pads. Just pry them out with the flathead. So now I'm gonna unscrew these things. So then let's unscrew it. So you can just use a flathead to go like this, like go in it, and it'll just cut out. So you still have the sticky stuff when you put the pads back on. And then I did the same thing for these ones. I got one more over here. Alright, now we've gotten those. Now we need to pry up the shell. So here we go. And be careful, because this is pretty dangerous. You know, your fingers might get stuck. And here you have it. Now I'm going to do one more thing. So pull back this to reveal a screw right here. And there you have it. So now you can pull out the hard drive. You'll need to disconnect the power by pulling out sideways, just like pulling out from the hard drive, just like that. And then I haven't figured out the other one yet, so I can't do it fully. I mean, I can't pull out the hard drive fully, but you can just pull out the power here. Here. There you go, just like that. You just pull it out like that. And then also this one you can pull out too, but I haven't figured out how to pull that one out. And that's it for the video. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.